All right, hi guys, we're doing pH today. You have a pH lab where you're going to test a bunch of different liquids. For those of you who haven't used pH before, we want to teach you how to do that. You're going to need a tube of pH papers, and you can see that there's a scale on it. And we're going to use the paper that's going to be an indicator for us. So the paper comes in these little strips, and it's going to change colors when it comes into contact with a liquid because of a chemical reaction. That's how we get the indicator to be able to tell us what the pH is. And so you're going to be able to then compare the color of the paper to the colors on the bottle to determine the pH. But before we even get started touching liquid, we need to keep safety in mind. So we have these fabulous, cute, adorable, handsome, whatever you want to say, safety glasses. They look good on everybody. Safety glasses belong over your eyes. They do not belong up here. This does me no good. I don't really know what I'm protecting. I look fabulous, but it's not helpful. Down here does not help either. My neck is super protected, but it's okay. It's not necessary. Make sure they are up over your eyes. You will be yelled at if they do not securely fit over your eyes. Okay, we're ready to go. So we're going to take our pH strip. We don't want to dip it straight into the liquid. If we do that, we could cause contamination. So we're going to take a pipette. You squeeze the top of the pipette to suck up some of the liquid, and we're going to put just a drop or two on the end of the pH paper. And you'll see pretty quickly that there's a chemical reaction that's happening. And so it's changing color. We're going to wait for it to dry. If you touch it before it's dry, you're going to get some of that coloring on you. So you just want to make sure that you're being careful. You can even set it down and wait for it to dry if you want. When you're pretty sure that it's dry, you can even gently make sure, you're going to hold it up next to the colors and try to determine the pH. Very clearly, it's not a pH of 12. If that color matches to you, we want to find you a doctor. So we're going to continue moving it along our pH scale until we find an area where it looks like it's about the same. And you can see right around 1, 2, 3, we're getting close. If it's not all the way dry, you're not going to get a great reading. So make sure that it is all the way dry, and you can see that this pH lines up closest with the pH of 2. Okay, so that's how you use pH strips. These go in the trash can. They do not go in the holes of the lab table, on the lab table, in your friend's hair, or any other place but the trash can. Please be safe, guys. Have a good one.